Hey guys, what if I told you this right here is not just a motor? It's basically a rolling luxury fortress that can go completely off-grid for days, maybe even weeks. Today on NextLux Reviews, you're about to experience something seriously insane. The 2026 Toyota Emberhorn 6x6 Motorhome. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we bring you the most next-level luxury vehicles, motorhomes, and futuristic machines you won't see anywhere else. Now let's get into this beast. The first thing you notice, this thing doesn't look like a normal RV, not even close. It looks like it belongs in a military convoy or some high-end survival movie. The exterior design is bold, aggressive, and honestly intimidating. That matte black finish, combined with armored-style panels, gives it a rugged, unstoppable presence. You've got reinforced bodywork, heavy-duty metal framing, and sharp lines that scream durability. The front look is absolutely dominant. Toyota didn't just design a vehicle here, they built a statement. The grille is massive, with a strong industrial feel, and those LED headlights are sharp and modern, giving it a futuristic vibe. Up top, you've got mounted lights and storage racks, making it ready for off-road expeditions, night driving, or extreme conditions. And then there's the bumper, thick, reinforced, and equipped with a heavy-duty winch. This isn't for show. This motorhome is built to handle real terrain, not just highways. Moving along the sides, you'll notice how long and stretched this vehicle is. That's because it's a 6x6 setup, 3 axles, 6 wheels, which instantly tells you this thing is designed for power, balance, and extreme off-road capability. The side panels are packed with storage compartments, tools, and utility access points. Every inch of this vehicle has a purpose. Now let's talk about the wheels. Because these are not your average RV tires. These are massive all-terrain tires designed to handle mud, sand, snow, and rocky landscapes. The suspension system is heavy-duty, giving it that lifted stance and allowing it to glide over rough terrain while still keeping the ride stable. As we move to the back, the design stays just as aggressive. The rear section is clean but functional, with additional storage, ladder access to the roof, and possible mounting options for bikes, gear, or even extra fuel tanks. This is clearly built for long adventures, where you don't want to rely on anything else. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Let's step inside. The moment you enter, everything changes. From rugged exterior to pure luxury interior, it feels like stepping into a high-end apartment on wheels. The living area is spacious, modern, and designed for comfort. You've got premium seating with soft leather finishes, ambient lighting, and large windows that bring in natural light. The layout is open, so it doesn't feel cramped like traditional RVs. It actually feels like a luxury lounge. The kitchen area is fully equipped. We're talking about a modern setup with a built-in stove, microwave, smart refrigerator, and plenty of storage cabinets. The countertops are clean and stylish, giving you that home-like feel. Whether you're cooking a quick meal or something more serious, this kitchen can handle it. Right next to it, you've got a dining area that doubles as a workspace. This is perfect for people who want to travel but still stay productive. You can literally work from anywhere with this setup. Now let's move to the washroom. And trust me, this is not your typical RV bathroom. It's spacious, well-designed, and actually comfortable. You've got a full shower, modern sink, mirror, and high-quality fittings. Everything feels premium and practical at the same time. The bedroom area is where things get even better. A full-size bed, soft lighting, storage compartments, and a calm, cozy vibe. It's designed for proper rest after long journeys. This isn't just a place to sleep, it's a place to relax. And the best part? This entire motorhome is powered by a hybrid electric system. Yes, you heard that right. The 2026 Toyota Emberhorn 6x6 runs on a powerful electric drivetrain. Combined with a massive battery system, it delivers smooth acceleration, quiet operation, and strong torque, which is perfect for a vehicle of this size. But what really makes it stand out is the solar capability. The roof is equipped with advanced solar panels that continuously charge the battery during the day. That means you can stay off-grid without worrying about running out of power. Imagine camping in the middle of nowhere. No noise, no fuel dependency, just clean, silent energy. Performance-wise, this thing is built like a tank. The 6x6 system provides incredible traction, making it capable of handling almost any terrain. Whether it's mountains, deserts, or rough trails, this motorhome is ready for it. The driving experience is surprisingly smooth for such a large vehicle. Thanks to advanced suspension and weight distribution, it doesn't feel as heavy as it looks. Now let's talk about the company behind this machine. Toyota is known worldwide for reliability, durability, and innovation. And with the Emberhorn, they've clearly pushed into a new level, combining their engineering strength with luxury and sustainability. This isn't just another it's a concept of the future, a vehicle that blends adventure, comfort, and technology into one package. Now, the big question, the price. This level of luxury and capability doesn't come cheap. The estimated price of the 2026 Toyota Emberhorn 6x6 Motorhome is expected to be somewhere between $600,000 to $800,000, depending on customization and features. Yeah, it's expensive. But when you think about what you're getting, a luxury home, an off-road machine, and a self-sustaining electric vehicle, it starts to make sense. This is not for everyone. This is for people who want freedom, people who want to travel without limits, people who want something different. And honestly, this might be one of the most advanced motorhomes we've seen in recent years. So what do you guys think? Would you take this beast on a cross-country trip? Or maybe go completely off-grid and live the adventure life? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, share it, and subscribe to NextLux Reviews for more insane luxury vehicles just like this. Until next time, stay driven, stay inspired, and keep chasing the next level.